Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Spring Tools is probably one of the most essential and versatile collections of products for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and efficiency, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out with your projects. This comprehensive suite offers a wide array of solutions designed to streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and provide insightful data analysis, ultimately empowering you to achieve more with less effort and time. From sophisticated development environments to powerful management utilities, these tools are engineered to meet the diverse needs of modern users, ensuring that you have the right resources at your fingertips to tackle any challenge. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech Valve Spring Compressor Kit. Introducing the Orion Motor Tech 10-piece valve spring compressor set. This comprehensive kit is designed for efficient and safe engine repairs. It features a robust C-clamp, various cullet adapters, extension rods, and a hand lever for versatile use. Everything you need for the job is included. Operating this tool is straightforward, with clear instructions for safe removal and installation of valve springs. It's suitable for most automotive, motorcycle, and small engines. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel with a black oxide coating, this tool is built for superior strength and corrosion resistance. It's designed to withstand demanding tasks. Keep your tools organized and ready for transport with the included reinforced blow-molded case. It makes storage and carrying between jobs incredibly convenient. Orion Motor Tech stands behind this product with a strong warranty and friendly 24/7 customer service. You can trust it to provide years of reliable service. What we like. This comprehensive set is built to last with its solid carbon steel construction and black oxide coating for corrosion resistance. It includes a wide range of adapters and extensions for various engine types. If you're a mechanic or a DIYer who frequently works on cars, motorcycles, or small engines and needs a reliable, all-in-one solution for valve spring work, this is the kit for you. Its organized case also makes transport and storage a breeze. What people say. This kit is perfect, fits all types of valves without fail. It was easy to size the lapping tools to each valve and worked great. Garage Brethren, this worked perfectly on a 2007 Ecotec 2.0 head, very little clearance between the springs retainers and head but worked without damage. The intake side was not happening with that method. Tool received and I did the remaining 8 valves in about 35 minutes. Works great. Tons of adjustment for various engines. Easy to use. Good build quality. Number 4. E-cowlboy Washing Machine Boot Seal Clamp Tool. Introducing the ultimate tool for washing machine maintenance. This innovative device is designed to make repairs simple and efficient. It works seamlessly with most major brands like LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, and Kenmore. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for various models. Featuring an ergonomic handle and a high-quality spring, it allows for safe and easy removal or installation of door boot clamps. Fix common issues like leaks or a faulty water pump yourself in minutes. Avoid costly repairman visits and get your washer running smoothly again. Constructed from premium carbon steel with heat treatment, this tool offers exceptional strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. We stand by our product with a 30-day refund policy and a 12-month warranty. Purchase with confidence from E-cowlboy. What we like. Designed specifically for front-load washing machines, this tool makes a common repair much simpler. Its expandable range and compatibility with major brands like LG and Samsung mean it's likely to fit your needs. If you're experiencing leaks, a failed water pump, or need to replace the door boot seal on your washing machine and want to save money by doing it yourself, this tool offers an easy and quick solution. What people say. Worked great, fixed door boot drain. Replaced spring 15 minutes top. Right tool for the job. Was exactly the tool I needed to remove and reinstall the spring-loaded ring on my LG front-load washing machine tub ring. Worked as exactly as described. Easy to use. This is a must for releasing and installing the springs on the washer door seal. Easy to use. I have other spring applications that this item will definitely help. Number 3. Motorcycle Exhaust Spring Puller Tool, Red. Introducing our specially designed tool for motorcycle exhaust systems. It makes replacing your exhaust components a breeze. The T-handle provides a comfortable grip and increased leverage, while the rubber coating protects your hands. Its slim hook fits perfectly into tight spaces. This tool isn't just for motorcycles. It's perfect for removing and installing springs on various vehicles, including brakes and lawnmower decks. Crafted from sturdy metal and rubber, this tool is built to last. It's resistant to fading and safe to use, ensuring long-term reliability. Measuring approximately 6.30 by 3.15 inches, its light and small size makes it easy to handle and transport. Operate in small spaces with ease. You'll receive 2 of these essential tools, ensuring you always have one ready when you need it for any replacement job. What we like. This pair of exhaust spring puller tools offers a comfortable and effective way to remove and install springs in tight spaces. The T-handle provides good leverage, and the rubber coating ensures a comfortable grip. If you frequently work on motorcycles, dirt bikes, or ATVs and need to remove exhaust springs or other components, these hooks are a practical and easy-to-use addition to your toolkit. What people say. I use these to pull U-stakes out of the ground. Portable and easy to use. The puller worked great on my Gravely ZTR belt tension spring. I use this tool for removing springs in hard-to-reach places on snowblowers. Seemed to work well the first time I used it. Number 2. BILITOOLS Heavy-Duty Coil Spring Compressor Set. This Strut spring compressor kit prioritizes your safety with a dual protection system. It features interlocking hook jaws and a secure locking mechanism, preventing accidental spring release. Crafted from robust 45 carbon steel, this tool is designed to withstand high tension without flexing or bending. Each pair can safely handle a load of up to 2,645 pounds. It's an ideal solution for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks and large sedans. This tool is compatible with springs ranging from 0 to 0.8 inches in diameter. This heavy-duty compressor boasts a wide jaw capacity of 2.7 to 10.6 inches. The adjustable holder ensures a secure fit for coil diameters between 8.6 and 12.2 inches. Using it is straightforward. Securely grip springs by rotating the hex nut with a 19mm socket or wrench. Remember to apply grease to the threads before use for optimal performance. What we like. Engineered for safety and strength, this heavy-duty compressor can handle significant loads up to 2,645 pounds. Its double retention system with interlocking jaws provides superior security during operation. If you're working on trucks or large sedans and need to compress McPherson struts, this tool's robust construction and safety features make it a reliable choice for demanding jobs. What people say. Made the install simple and works great. Solid, and I highly recommend it. These are good spring compressors. Used them on 2008 Sonata struts to replace the shock absorbers. This spring compressor worked perfectly. If you need to change out strut cartridges on a heavy spring coil over like a Tundra or F-150, this thing makes it quick and easy. Number 1. Branick 7600 Strut Spring Compressor. Introducing the Branick 7600, the revolutionary strut spring compressor designed for ultimate efficiency. It simplifies your work with its innovative, no adapter required design. Forget about searching for the right adapters. This tool is engineered to work seamlessly without any additional pieces, saving you time and hassle. Experience unparalleled durability with its heavy-duty Acme thread. This ensures a secure and powerful grip for safe and reliable operation every time. Adapt to any workspace with its versatile mounting options. It provides flexibility to position the compressor exactly where you need it for optimal workflow. The multi-position hooks offer enhanced stability and security. They allow for quick and easy adjustments, accommodating a wide range of strut sizes. Built to last, its all-steel construction guarantees exceptional strength and longevity. This robust design can withstand the demands of professional use. What we like. This strut spring compressor stands out for its simplicity and robust design, eliminating the need for extra adapters. Its heavy-duty Acme thread ensures smooth and powerful operation, while versatile mounting options add to its flexibility. If you're looking for a straightforward, powerful, and adaptable tool for strut spring compression across a variety of vehicles, this heavy-duty option is a solid performer. What people say. The build quality of this item is absolutely top-notch and worth every cent. It is as easy and safe as the others have stated in their reviews. American-made quality tool that will last a lifetime. Bought if swap 2013 F-150 front struts made the job easy as it can be. Would recommend if you need it, especially for truck SUV struts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.